Hey, project managers. Are you feeling overwhelmed by administrative tasks, repetitive reporting, or just wishing you had some more time for strategic thinking? If I told you that there is a new superpower emerging that can literally write your reports, draft your communications, and even brainstorms risk for you, yeah, I'm talking about generative AI. And it's just a buzzword anymore. It's a game changer for the project management. So, what exactly is a generative AI? In the context of our world, that is known as project management. Simply put it, it's a way that it's a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. The content could be text, could be images, could be code, even project plans, based on the data it's been trained on and the prompts that you give it. So you think of it like a ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or specialized AI assistants. They are not just searching for information, they are generating brand new, coherent, and often highly useful outputs. And for us PMs, that means a massive boost in efficiency and capability. Let's get to the good stuff. How can you, as a project manager, start using generative AI today to make your life easier and your project smoother? Let's say you're working on a dreaded status report. Instead of starting at a blank page, you can prompt an AI that AI, please draft a weekly project status report for project Alpha. Key updates should be task X is completed, task Y is delayed by 2 days due to certain resource conflicts. Next step involves client review of deliverable Z. Target audience is executive team. Boom, you get a well structured draft that you can then quickly review and refine. This applies to emails, the minutes of meetings, stakeholder updates, even parts of your project charter. Let's go into the second scenario that you are working in a risk planning session. You're feeling stuck on potential risks. Go ahead, ask your AI again. Brainstorm potential risks for a software development project involving a new vendor and aggressive timelines. What it will give you? It will give you a comprehensive list of you might have missed, acting as an intelligent co-pilot for your brainstorming sessions. Same goes for identifying stakeholders, success metrics, or even potential solution problems. Let's go to scenario 3, where you are stuck and sifting through a lengthy document. You have a long document that is a requirement document or a detailed vendor proposal. You can just paste it into the AI and ask, please summarize this document, highlighting key requirements for project beta and potential areas of concern. Instantly, you'll get the core information of what you need, saving your hours of reading. While these immediate applications are powerful, the true potential of generative AI for PM is more exciting. We're talking about a future where AI becomes a more sophisticated and a strategic partner. Imagine an AI analyzing your project data, identifying patterns, and then generating multiple probable future scenarios for your project. If we delay task A, what are the cascading effects on schedule and budget? Generate 3 recovery plans. This is what we've input for the prompt of our AI. This moves us from reactive to truly proactive project management. Beyond just knowing who's available, AI could suggest optimal resource assignments based on skills, project needs, and even team dynamics. You can just punch in, suggest the best team composition for this challenging technical task considering skill, gaps, and previous project performances. Think about AI. Given your project scope and constraints, can draft an initial project plan, identify critical paths, and even suggest optimizations before you've even had your first kickoff meeting. This is where PM moves from managing tasks to truly orchestrating value. Now, some of you might think that AI going to replace my job, and my answer is a firm no. At least not in the way many fear. AI won't replace PMs. Generative AI is a tool, a powerful assistant. It frees us from the mundane so we can focus on what truly differentiates human project managers. You can focus on strategic thinking, you can focus on stakeholder engagement, you can focus on problem solving, you can also focus on leadership and motivation. You can not forget about ethical consideration. The project manager of the future isn't afraid of AI. They embrace it and they leverage it to elevate their role from taskmaster to strategic leader. Let's go to the call to action, that how you can get it started. So how would you get it started? First of all, you'll experiment in terms of like start playing with the tools like ChatGPT or Gemini or any other tool that is out there. Give the simple PM related prompts and then identify the pain points that has given you as a output from it, that the most time consuming thing is there. Then you should learn the art of prompting, because the better you prompt, the better output you will get. Unless and until you are unable to give a better prompt to the AI, you won't be able to get the best output out of it. And you should stay curious about the landscape is evolving rapidly, and you should keep learning and adopting about these changes. What are your thoughts on generative AI for project management? How you used it? What challenges or success have you had? Let me know. And let me know if you have any certain experiences. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.